Hey, it's Chris from www.Aquatech-USA.com, and today we're talking about Disinfectant, our GC-2100. This is one-step cleaner and disinfectant. What's happening here with the COVID coronavirus is we're seeing a shortage of wipes, disinfecting wipes, and we're going to show you how you can make them at home and using the GC-2100. So first thing is, with wipes, you can use paper towels. I consider using the premium ones or heavy duty ones. The regular ones or standard ones won't hold up as well. And the other thing we've been doing is we'll use the shop towels, the blue shop towels. You're talking about less than $1, about $2, and something like $7, but these will definitely go a lot further. As far as the container goes, you have some choices with that. You could reuse the old disinfectant one that you have. I would wash it out and clean it out first before you do anything beside that. Or the other thing to check is make sure this is a brand that uses chlorine bleach. You don't want to use the chlorine bleach, but this company here, this one's bleach free. So you would want to use something that does not have bleach in it. An old coffee can with a lid, you can use that. Or in this case here, I bought up a 2-pack of reusable containers. These were $1.49 for 2. And they're about a third the size of a roll of papers. So tools you're going to need is a measuring cup, a serrated knife, bread knife, tape measure, and a multi-tool with pliers and with a knife. So we're going to take the shop towels here and we're going to measure them up, which we already did, into thirds. We have it there. That's just about where we want to be. And we could do that. And you'll want to just kind of take your time doing this step. You're going to get some shrapnel of this. It's going to kind of fray a little, but that's all right. You're going to get through it. You want to get all the way through. And we can turn it a little. There you go. And get through that cardboard piece. Once you're through, you're going to take your container, you're going to put it in there. It's a little bit bigger than what it's a little bit higher than what it was, but that shouldn't be any problem as far as that goes. You're going to go and you're going to take, actually I'm going to turn this the other way around so it'll be a little bit easier for us to manage it. Okay, and you're going to want to start pouring on the center area here and pour on there and let it soak in there, and definitely try to get the cardboard piece wet so that will come out real nice and easy. We want to kind of soak that cardboard piece, and then on this outside piece too, and kind of disperse it as best you can on there. And then once it settles for, let it settle for a little bit, a few minutes or so, take your multi-tool and you can pull out this center piece like that. And you're going to have this come up. That's going to be your center piece of where you're going to pull them from. You're going to have your lid, cut your hole in here, poke that up through. Then you'll put your lid on there. And there you go. You're going to have your wipe. And that's not even soaked. That's just a couple seconds of that soaking. So here you go. And you'll take your wipe And remember, read the instructions on how much you need to let it sit. For this coronavirus, it's at least 1 to 2 minutes wet. And then what you want to do is you want to clean that surface off, especially if it's an area where there's food. And most of the disinfectants out there, people aren't reading what the instructions are on there and how long you have to let it sit. But it needs to have that surface sit wet for a period of time in order for it to kill that virus. So again, it's Chris from Aquatech-USA.com, and we're talking about our GC-2100 one-step cleaner and disinfectant, which you could even use it straight, spray bottles, that kind of thing. We'll show another video on that, and we'll go from there. So if you have any questions, want to purchase any of the products, you can reach us at our website, www.aquatech-USA.com.